Say hi, Maeve. Say hi. Maeve. Hi, vlog. Hi. Please say hi. Say hi. 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 Hi! Hi, vlog! Let's go! Hala, isa pa dyan nakasakyan na yung isolation. Joke. Because it doesn't look... Hi, say hi.
So no smoking, no using of light cigarettes, no running, no shouting.
Ayun lang, bye.
Vlogger. Vlogger.
Hello, vlogger. Kumas man di ay. Iboy tap. Oh. Magaling ka? Siguro.
Philippine brown deer. Asa man? Wala deer ay. What is that? Dog. Bisaya.
Anda? Anda? Sige. It's okay, dili na mag-feeding. Ubus mo na dito. Ay, at least ikaw kay kahit pa nila. Ay, dara siya. Ay, wala siya.
Unang randomize. Ito randomize ko delivery.
Pagkatubang dare. Dami. It's a tiger. It's a Miming! 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 Can I use your stroller? And then you will push me.
Why no? You say no. You should say yes.
Yo, ano vlogger?
Show me what you've got.
Alright.
Okay, turn around. Turn around. Faster, faster. Girl, nabali mong costume, girl. Girl, turn around. Asa man ang game mo? Nga dito sa... Asa man siya? Nag-swimming? Hala, na isda. Asa ang isda? Ganito? Asa siya? Murag, nakatago siguro. Ate, asa man siya? Ano ba din siya? Napadali dito. Uy, matago. Hi, friend. Friend. Hi. Ay! Ay!
It's not moving. It's not moving. It's not moving.
So for those for the left side, you can stand up here so you can see the line on the left side. So by the way, this is our three lions, so namely Jack, Max, and Buboy. So they're all male. Siblings and 8 years old, but they're turning 9 this year. So you might be also wondering why they're called white lions, but they're not totally white. That's because they're not albino. So they have the genetic condition that's called diseasem.
Okay,
And they also adapt the climate here in the Philippines. So nag-adapt na sila sa climate closer. But naturally when they're cubs, they are purely white. And as you can see also, they're not really active where they're sleeping. It's because lions are nocturnal. So meaning they're more active at night and sleepy during the daytime. So they can sleep 16 to 20 hours a day. And lions also are carnivores, so we provide them with dressed chicken or beef. 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day. So they can also reach the speed 81 km per hour, and their roar also can be heard 8 kilometers away, so they roar by communicating. So as of now, we don't have caiman lions or lioness here to avoid aggressive fights among them, so that's why they're all trained. And for their lifespan in the wild, they can live 12 to 16 years, but here in captivity, they can live much longer, so 20 to 25 years. So lions, by the way, are the second largest big cat species next to tigers. And they're territorial animals, so they mark their territories by urinating or simply scratching the trees like that. And that's their natural behavior here in captivity since their food is provided and they're taking care of numbers. So unlike if they are in the wild, so we have to look for hand for the food, so sila pamanita para silang food. And maximum weight of the male lion, they can weigh around 180 kilograms. And the average height is 3.5 to 4 feet. And also their manes can grow 16 centimeter long. And by the way, if you want also to experience, we have the night safari tour. So you can compare what's their behavior during nighttime and daytime. time. So the attraction for Night Safari, we have the white lion, hyena, tiger, fountain, and garden.
Sige na sila giro.
Kaya sa si Gugoy na nasa center mo.
Ano yung timay?
Gugoy is gonna share heart shape sa forehead. Then si Jack na isa is mataas na yung hair. Then si Max na is with bangs.
Kailangan ko na yung nanay ko.
Ang cute.
Baba, the name of the one on the side is Bugoy. You call Nabugoy. 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 It's a big cat. Lako-lako. Ubus na birds.
Dagan sila suit ng dagan magtao ba? Kamera mga good.
Ang kadili tama tsambahan doon.
Di mangilapot ha. Bulok-bulok na itong bulsa. Ang nga mo.
Sakit ako sa mga. Ay! Nasa ngit. Ngit. Pangit daw.
Kung ano malibat ka?
Sa likod man sa ulit. Kinsay pangit ha. Naka-friendly nila.
Alaw naman.
Asa ba? Alo bito. Yawa ko niya. Marag ko kayo sa basa ka picture.
Babe, babe, have a garden time. One of our animals here originated from Africa, and they were being bred and raised in community in UAE, USA, and so. Nakatry na mag-zipline ng skyline. Wala pa. Nakabili niya sir, ba't gusto mo mag-try? Giant swing. Idra. They are black in color with white stripes, and their stripes are unique just like our fingerprints. There is no two zebras that has the same pattern. And they can sleep while standing with open eyes, as they have blocking signs just like horses and giraffes. The mutual brown is female, the black one is male. Two baby zebras, 5 months and 7 months old. Another female assassin. Yes, once again. Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. Zebra. The last letter of the alphabet. Nine. Thompson's gazelle. The smallest antelope that we have here in African savanna. And it can run up to 80 kilometers per hour. That is cute looking, baka size na natin yan, nilang siya kutubo na liwat na lang. On the other side, those two over there, those are blessed bucks. A reddish brown in color with white markings on its face. That white markings that serves as their built-in sunscreen. They can survive under the heat of the sun because of that built-in sunscreen. May pa siya tinutawag sa init. Once again, Thompson's gazelle and blessed buck. Blessed buck can run up to 70 kilometers per hour. And lastly, on your left side, that is Rex buck or Oryx gazelle. Pwede na po kumarang. Or Madam Gazelle of the series Peppa Pig. They are known for their long and straight fork, where it can grow up to 33 inches. And they can survive without drinking water for a month or even a year. That's because they will just depend on the moisture of a plant that they consume. Once again, Rex buck or Oryx gazelle. Oryx gazelle, they are also the logo of the Qatar Airways.
Dili na matong nagbinturo.
Binturong.
Mura siya katong ganina sa pangalan sa alay ko. Kasi na binturong. Binturong. Ano? Ilan sa iyo lang sila.
Your host for today, Mr. Daphne. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, what's everybody doing today? Are you all good? All right, now to make sure you're all set and ready, when I say hi, you say hello. Hi. Again, you. Hi. All right, what an amazing energy. Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Well, did you know that pigeons can remember places and can find their way back no matter how far they will go? It is because pigeons were used as messengers to carry out their messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and enjoy as our fine-footed friends will showcase their natural behaviors, invite guest participation, and share important environmental message. But let me ask you, are you ready to be amazed to our fine-footed friends? Alright, now let's get this show started. To start off, let me call my partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, together with her blue and gold mukha, Amigo. So Amigo came from South America but lives in the rainforest of the Philippines. As he's a very responsible bird, he loves to see his environment clean. So first, he picks up the plastic cup, open the bin, and drop it inside. Now for the second one, he picks up the cardboard paper, open the bin, and drop it inside. Good bird. Now for the last one, he picks up the can, open the bin, and drop it inside. Now see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash on your trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to. That's right, godliness. Now Amigo, together with his fine-footed friends, have something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's first show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying fox. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold flying macaws named Harry, Harvey, Matt, Tony, Kyle, and Carl. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning if you are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Their main diet it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts, seeds, leaves, flowers, and stems. Now this bird can grow up to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet. Now in the wild, is arranging the jumbo letters. Let's go here to Miss Debbie to ask questions about jumbo. So hi Miss Debbie, good afternoon. How are you today? That's good to hear. Now Miss Debbie, where did jumbo originally came from? Wow, South America, but he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right? Alright, so we're all set and ready. Jumbo buddy, take a good look at the picture. Can you spell out the tiger word correctly? First letter, buddy. Alright, take your time. There's no need to rush. He picks up the letter P. Now for the second letter. He picks up the letter I. Now for the third one. He picks up the letter G. Now for the next letter. He picks up the letter E. Now for the last one. Last one, bud. He picks up the letter R. So tiger spells T-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Now, since Jumbo did well in the first test, we will make these. How about on this side? plus 7. So this type of behavior showcases their intelligence, curiosity, social nature, and how quickly they can learn. In fact, macaws are often compared to a 4-year-old children because of how they think and act. So let's proceed here to Miss Debbie to ask more questions about Jumbo. Now, Miss Debbie, what are Jumbo? Miss Debbie, where did Jumbo love to go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Now let's see how good he is at math. Jumbo, what is 5 plus 7? Everyone, what is 5 plus 7? Alright, so first number, buddy. He picks up the number 1. Now, for the last number. Last one. He picks up the number 2. So 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. Is it correct? So a round of applause. Right, so just stand still, sir, and don't make extra movements. Now, ladies and gentlemen, feel the love as we have here our couple seniors name, Ding and Dong. Okay, so we'll try it again. So Sagittarius, they are monogamous type of birds, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. But when their partner dies, that's the only time that they will find another mating partner. They are also monomorphic, meaning both male and female share the same physical features. Just take your time, lovers. Alright, thank you so much, sir. You can again say louder, say Jumbo. Here's our Pinoy Mahoney, Jumbo. So hi, Jumbo. Hi, Jumbo. Good afternoon, buddy. Can you go 5 up here? Alright, so hi Jumbo, good afternoon. Can you wave to the crowd like this? Now everyone, can you wave back and say, hello Jumbo? Some macaws have very long tails with feathers that can grow up from 3 feet from its head to its head, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo's going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? That's 1. 2, last one. Good birds. As you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color under their wings. But Jumbo's going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Again, everyone, say wings. So lastly, macaws' feet are zygodactylous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. They can also use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Miss Debbie here is a ground nut. She will place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his nut. Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his nut. Good job, buddy. So as I said earlier, that Jumbo is a very special bird. You want to know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we have prepared 2 sets of tests. Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots is one of the most commonly keyed Amazon species due to its excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. These types of birds are great at mimicking everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ringing, or even a whistle.
Now, let's try a rooster first. Now, how about cat?
your behavior.
Now let's do a telephone ringing. Now last one is a whistle. Now I think Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, they do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm up. La, la, la. La, 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 la. Now for our first song. Whoa, whoa, I love you more than. Again. Whoa, whoa, I love you more than I. Now for our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Alright, now happy birthday. Now, guys, we have some celebrants here. What will you do? Again. Last one. See how talented parrots are? They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans using their voices. So round of applause for mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy, together with their mentor, Marty. Second question, sir. Do you have an extra money? Extra money? Yes. Alright, that's good. So don't make extra movements and just try to relax, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome our cute and fluffy son to your name, Sunny. Now, Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up things and build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do. Sunny flies all the way to Mr. Mark, in his arms, and he picks the 500 peso bill. Bye-bye, Sunny, and bye-bye, 500 pesos. Wala na, sir. Wala na. Okay na, sir. I'm just kidding, sir. So I will help you get your money back. All you have to do is extend your arm like this and open your palm. Now, Sunny is a good bird. He loves seeds more than money. Now, Sunny, can you return the money? Sunny flies back all the way to Mr. Mark and he puts the 500 peso bill. Good job, Sunny. That's good. Now, music, maestro. Wow, it's all about a round of applause for Mr. Mark here. Now, sir, that is not our main act. All you have to do, you will hold one of our hula hoop. So we have here 3 hula hoops. So you will hold it like this, sir, on this side. Okay. Forward lang, sir. Alright, so we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as we welcome our playful son to your name, Jack. Fly to the first one, to the second one, and wait to the third one. Alright, now Mr. Ronek, can we do it again? One more time. So he's still busy eating. Fly to the first one, to the second one, and wait to the third one. So a round of applause for our playful son to your name, Jack. And thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat. Now, Toucans is the largest and the best known toucan species in the world. It has a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. Now, toucans have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. So there are a total of 40 toucan species around the world, common is their large and beautiful bill. So when toucans travel, they don't fly in long distances like other birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. So they love to eat fruits, but when it's hard to find one, they'll also snack on insects, small reptiles, or eggs. So fun fact about toucans, they can control their body temperature just by adjusting the Rufus Hornbill name, Billy. Here you go, buddy. About the second one. Now, Rufus Hornbill, they are endemic here in the Philippines. They can be found in the islands of Samar and Leyte. This way, buddy. Good job. So we have here Sir June, our handsome bird trainer. He will help us display the natural behavior of this bird. Now, their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 25 to 30 years. They're locally known here as Kalaw. Now, Sir June here is a handful of fruits. He will toss it in mid-air. Now, let's see what would Billy do. Now, sir, are you ready? Now, guys, come with me. 1, 2, 3. Nice catch, Billy. So that kind of behavior is part of their courtship display. The male hornbill will catch the food in mid-air to impress the female hornbill. Can we do it again, Sir June? Alright, let's do it one more time. Come with me. 1, 2, 3. Wala pa yan. Alright, can we do it again, Sir June? Now come with me. 1, 2, 3. Nice catch, Billy. Now, Rufus Hornbill, they have a heart-like structure at the top of its head. It is called a casque. That is shown. Now, for our first birds of prey, is a diurnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the lure behind by Mr. James. The lure will serve as a bird's target to showcase that this bird, how sharp his eyesight is, and how good he is at catching his food. Now, Mr. James, are you ready? Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Good catch, Hunter. Now, Philippine hawk eagle typically hunts from a perch, waiting at the right moment to swoop down its prey. So when they fly, they can be reached at the speed of 56 kilometers per hour. And as you can see, Mr. James here is wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons and claws of this bird. This bird can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. Ooh. So Philippine eagle owl, they're the largest owl species here in the Philippines. As I said earlier, it has a large head and a bulging eyes that can spot a prey up to 2 kilometers away. So when they fly, they are almost silent. It is because of their special feathers that helps them glide quietly, earning the nickname to our snatching prey of life, our family name, Shadow. So Brahminicae, they are the real-world reflection of Garuda, a guardian figure that symbolizes power, protection, and divine guidance in various cultures. They have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. But wait, there's more! Here comes the brother of Shadow, Cloud. So formerly known as Redback Sea Eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as Bandok in Bisaya birds of prey can be found in Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. So its other parts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. Now, this type of birds of prey, they practice cryptoparasitism, or they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey fly. Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. Thank you so much, Mr. Charles. So round of applause to our buddy guys name, Shadow and Lao. Come and enjoy the show. Okay, may I remind everyone to please sit down and do not try to reach out this bird. Alright, so we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your hands up high to our white penalty eagle named Silver. But wait, there's more. Here comes the partner of Silver, Marina. So white-banded sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. The scientific name for this bird is Heliatus leucocaster. This bird can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. So a round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver and Marina. Now here at Cebu Safari, we're not just creating about fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safe habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now let me introduce you the people behind this successful show. My partner here on stage is Debbie, together with Marina, and also here Mr. Romnek, together with Silver, and our beautiful Indian peoples and our scarlet IBs. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now, my name is Leslie. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the walk. Now, if you want to take pictures of our photograph birds, kindly form a line here at the center. We have your official photographer's debut group. And for those who have been to White Lion Safari, camel area birds of the world in African savanna, just go up and turn to your left side to see to orangutan area. That's the tram stop for our key attractions inside. And if you want to witness our
Okay, so mabuhay, good afternoon everyone. So, a few minutes from now, we will start our white Bengal tiger feeding. It will start at 2:30 p.m. So we have, the flow for our tiger feeding. You will form a line here on this side by group, couple, or family. We have to proceed here at the center. We have our official photographer's debut. And if you have a personal photos, we can take pictures as well in the present. And the exit is on the other side, okay? So reminders, do not knock or tap the glass. Just for your own safety. Okay, so ready to form a line here. Okay, ready po sa hi, Billy. Hi. Okay. Ay, go sama kayo, ma'am. Okay. Ready po sa
Snapping ganun na snapping turtle. Marami to.
I-feed daw. Adobo man na, ha? Ready? Ready? Sa cement.
Sa tabangan lang.
Wala. Wala man daw na marinate. Wala. Wala. Nice one. Wala tulod man daw yung mag-iusap. Hangul. Wala again.
Na-office yan, no?
Magaganda ko lagi ni sulod rito mo. Lukot sa buhay. Ang haman no?
Taga na please. Taga na ko. Taga na ko. Taga sana.
Na video pa jud dong. Ay, malayo sa ulo. Ay, sa ulo. Ay, may panatana.
O pero cut yun siya ko ano? Yung ears ko.
Cut jud siya. Ay, hindi na. Pati ka saan yun? Doon na top gani.
O tayo kayo mag-willing yun. Mag-isa lang lagi ko sa sod.
Ay, kasi nakabuka mo do. Pag isa gito on. Naka-day off naman siya. Meow!
Hindi na mauday. Mau din nagbuo.
Hadlo kayo ito. Itong uso ka ito. Yawa ka naging Ay, sa photo ka? Sa photo ka kay 5. Ay, 10. Ari ka sa photo ba? Sige, video. Ah, 5. Wala pa kanina ka 40. Oh.
Oh, nag-swimming.